What's up, guys? We got the SVHT V15 Cordless Vacuum. I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you a secret. My brother and I, we do product research on Amazon, dude. And we were looking for one of the best cordless vacuums, best value, the one that's going to last the longest, do the best for what we need. This one currently is selling over 1,000 per month. And it's got hundreds of 4.7 to 5-star written reviews. That lets us know everything we need to know we are making a good buying decision. So that's the first reason we bought this. This thing's amazing and it's super versatile. You've got the battery pack right here, which in order to charge it, all you need to do is just attach that, hook it in here. Now, if you want to get cool with it, and this is going to be a semi-permanent thing, it comes with screws and this, which you can actually put on the wall, and then you can actually just lock that in place like that. So like in your laundry room or something like that. So I think that's a really cool aspect to it. We have also different attachments, which I'll show in a second. But another cool thing about this you're not always going to find is this comes with a pre-installed filter, but it also comes with 2 replacement filters. So they're getting you started with that. That's not very common. That's what sets SVHT apart from other vacuum brands. Other vacuum brands just aren't doing stuff like that. So what we'll show you is it's very easy to use. You power it on, and if you want to go into turbo mode, you can hit that for turbo mode. And I can tell you, dude, this thing's going, dude. And you can go straight from carpet to hardwood, and it just starts sucking it up wherever you go. So it's very cool. Again, very easy to use. Now, as far as changing attachments, yeah, I mean, dude, we're barely even trying it, and it's already cleaning everything up. I don't know if that says something bad about us or if it says something good about the vacuum, but either way, the suction's working. So we can take this apart if we want to go for a shorter vibe, and we could put this one on. See, this is how easy it is to kind of switch it up. So I really like that. Now, if we want the brush, we could do maybe stuff like along here, kind of clean up the ledge, stuff like that. I mean, you can get the side, like dust that can kind of like show up on the wall. You could dig into the couches. You could use this in your car if you really wanted to. So I think if I was going to use it in the car, I'd probably use this one because you could like get in the cracks and crevices here. Actually, this one would be really good for getting into the cracks in the couch. So stuff like that. I mean, the thing about it is they don't overcomplicate it. You basically have that. You have the long vacuum. You also have the short vacuum. It's great. This thing will last for 45 minutes. Only takes a couple hours to charge. And dude, this is the one to go with. If you look at the number on the product page, it's hard to find a solid vacuum at that kind of price point.